Yep. So hi, I am in Laos in PAC, and now we are at that fun waterfall, and there's a room here, and I'm going to take you to see waterfall. It's called Tet Phan Waterfall in Laos, and it's so beautiful. And next is, because the weather today is not really good, I want to do zip line, but let's do it tomorrow. It's going to be exciting. Let's go. Oh God. You hear the sound. You may want to know what that is. Let's go and check it out. Oops. Oh my God, there's a waterfall over there. It's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. This is heaven. You see the waterfall? So good. Very smoky. Yeah. So this is where I am now. And it's beautiful. We're gonna go to the point views over there later, but I want you to see the waterfall here, which is so beautiful. Sọc tạ bong chắc bắn sạch này. Sạch on. Ok, អរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានមើលវីដេអូហើយសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងចូលចិត្តនៅវីដេអូ view នៅខាងក្រោយហ្នឹងណាអញ្ចឹងជួយ like ផង